Want to start journaling but don't know where to start? We've got you covered. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of journaling, a wonderful tool to explore your thoughts and emotions. So, stick around for our 7 quick and easy tips to get started. Tip 1. Start with simplicity. No need for fancy language or complex entries. The key for beginners is to focus on writing clear, honest thoughts. It's about capturing your day, your feelings, your ideas. Remember, your journal is your space. Keep it simple. Tip 2. Consistency is key. Make journaling a daily habit. The secret to reaping the benefits of journaling lies in its regularity. Set a specific time each day for your journaling routine. Remember, consistency helps to make journaling a beneficial habit. Tip 3. Be honest. Your journal is a safe space for your thoughts. Pour your heart out. Scribble down your deepest fears, your grandest dreams, and your smallest joys. No detail is too trivial or too grand. Honesty in your journal leads to self-discovery. Tip 4. No pressure. Don't worry about length or quality. The beauty of journaling lies in its flexibility. Whether it's a single sentence or a full page, what matters is that it's authentically you. Perfect prose? Not necessary. Your journal, your rules, no pressure. Tip 5. Use prompts. If you're stuck, prompts can help. Think of them as launch pads for your thoughts, ready to catapult your words onto the page. Journaling prompts or questions can kickstart your writing journey. Prompts can guide your writing and open up new thoughts. Tip 6. Reflect and review. Your journal is a tool for growth. It's not just about writing, it's about learning from what you've written. Take time to periodically look back at past entries, spot your progress and patterns. Reflection is a key part of the journaling journey. Tip 7. Make it personal. Your journal should reflect you. It's not just a record of your days, but a canvas for your individuality. Adorn it with doodles, sprinkle in your favorite quotes, paste photos that inspire you. Your journal is a reflection of you. Make it personal. And those were our 7 quick tips for starting a journal. Remember, simplicity, consistency, honesty, no pressure, prompts, reflection, and personalization are your keys to a rewarding journaling journey. Immerse in the benefits of self-exploration and personal growth. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy journaling!